Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm telling about how to make this snowflake easily. Let's start. Draw a rectangle with length 25 centimeters, breadth 15 centimeters. Cut it with scissor. Now fold it like shown in this video. Draw some triangles like shown. Cut it. Make 3 like this. Attach them with glue. Now the snowflake is ready. It is very easy to make. I make another snowflake with another color. I hope you like this snowflake. If you like this snowflake, tap on the like button and comment and share to your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.